The block R. Twain, 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 train, train, train. I sought long and hard under couch and cupboard, just when I had enough just to find that block R. Now I'm able to make words and sense of everything. Twain, 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 train, train, train. As Dad takes his nightly seat and watches how some elite expand upon beached plains, national, business waylaid and hefty financial aid, you can hear it immediately. They've lost the block R. Just like Dad who shouts, "Coffee! Quiet!" I'm ruminating on a plan. They can have the block R. I've got loads to spare. Twain, 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 train, train, train. They're building international railways with space and nature. That's how they're dismantling the ghoul of air pollution. If by chance the block R would disappear under bookcase, couch, or in vacuum cleaner, there'll still be enough blocks to play with sweetly. Animal, woods, plant, bloom, possibility.